Hello everyone! Today, I am going to show you the top best solar power watches for men based on specifications. Solar power watches are timepieces that are powered by solar energy. Instead of using batteries or winding mechanisms, they use photovoltaic cells to convert light energy into electrical energy that powers the watch's movement and features. Number 9. Jungin's Max Bill Mega Solar. White dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a black leather band. Automatic movement. 30 meters, 100 feet water resistance. Fixed bezel. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Transparent case back. Case thickness 10 millimeters. Band material, leather. Band width, 20 millimeters. Band color, black. Dial color, white. Special features, shock resistant. Number 8. Casio Men's Pro Trek PRW 3510. This new triple sensor version 3 model delivers altitude, barometric pressure, and direction readings that are more accurate than previous models. A barometric pressure tendency alarm alerts the wearer to sudden changes in pressure readings, which can indicate upcoming weather events. This model is water resistant up to 200 meters and features full auto LED display illumination, which makes it a great choice for wet environments and nighttime operations. Number 7. Garmin Instinct Solar. Rugged GPS watch is water rated to 100 meters and constructed to US military standard 810 for thermal, shock, and water resistance. Built-in 3-axis compass and barometric altimeter plus multiple global navigation satellite systems, GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo track in more challenging environments than GPS alone. Track your activities for running, biking, swimming, strength, and more. Monitor how your body uses energy by tracking heart rate, stress, and sleep estimates with body battery energy monitoring. Number 6. Citizen ProMaster Diver. The sustainable way to power your watch. No batteries required. Citizen's proprietary eco-drive technology powers your watch using the most renewable energy, light. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, unidirectional. Calendar, date. Special features, 3-hand, date, luminous hands and markers. Movement, eco-drive. Number 5. G-Shock Full Metal 5000. Metal case with resin band is a brand new, specially crafted timepiece. Inspired by the first G-Shock, this upgraded original boasts a modern, lustrous colorway while maintaining a vintage aesthetic. The watch also incorporates one of the first and most iconic G-Shock case designs, featuring a vintage square-shaped case and bezel with a brick pattern on the face. It incorporates a super illuminator LED light and solar battery. Number 4. Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar. All the electronic components of the T-Touch Connect Solar are energy efficient. The watch is equipped with the latest generation photovoltaic cells that eliminate the need for long, frequent, and stationary cable recharges. Bezel material, titanium. Bezel function, stationary. Calendar, perpetual calendar. Special features, alarm, altimeter, automatic daylight saving time, automatic sleep mode, azimuth, barometer, calories burned, chrono lap, chrono logbook, chrono split, compass, connection alerts. Number 3. Garmin Fenix 6. Fit for performance with rugged, sophisticated design that features an always-on 1.3-inch, 18% larger than previous Fenix models, sunlight-readable display with bezels in stainless steel, titanium, or diamond-like carbon (DLC) coating. Enhanced estimated wrist heart rate and pulse ox to support advanced sleep monitoring and altitude acclimation at high elevations. This is not a medical device and is not intended for use in the diagnosis or monitoring of any medical condition. Number 2. Seiko Astron 5X. It has Japanese solar quartz movement and 5X 5.3 caliber. Titanium hard coating case of round shape. Case dimensions are 42.8 millimeters in diameter and 14.7 millimeters in thickness. The dial of this Seiko watch is navy. Display type, analog. This timepiece has sapphire, super clear coating glass. Titanium hard coating polymer band. Band color, black. 200-meter water resistance. The watch is from Aston Collection. The following features are equipped: anti-magnetic, GPS, glowing hands, glowing markers, dual time, power reserve indicator, perpetual calendar. Number 1. G-Shock Rangeman. Rangeman is built to achieve the ultimate toughness that G-Shock pursues. With high specifications for shock, dust, mud, and water resistance, and advanced survival features ranging from GPS signal reception to triple sensor and solar operation of every function. Bluetooth communication has been added to enable linking with smartphone, smartphone link, shock resistant, tough solar, G-Shock connected.